Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install Logstash and how to load sample data into Elasticsearch. We are going to use one Excel data to load into Elasticsearch. First, go to Google and search for download Logstash, and we have to mention the version which we have to download. I am going to download 7.3 version, 7.13. So as soon you click on that, we have to click on the first link. Now for Windows, we have to click on Windows SHA. So when you click on that, you will be able to download one zip file as shown here, Logstash 7.13. I have extracted that file into another folder in another drive where I already extracted Kibana and Elasticsearch. You can find this here, Elasticsearch, Kibana and Logstash. So now we have to go to Logstash folder. In that you have to go to config folder. Here you have to create one config file which will be able to detect that Excel file and load into Elasticsearch. So I have already created that config file. You can view here. So here we are mentioning input, output and what all columns in the Excel and also the date. So in the input we are giving path of the file where it is located, that Excel file, and in the output we are giving path of Elasticsearch. Elasticsearch is started on localhost 9200, and here we are giving one index name. That name is sample data 1. So now I am going to change this index name to sample data 2 and file name to sample excel 1, because I already indexed the same file, so we can't index that file again. So we have to change the name of the file. So I am going to change that name here also, guys, just a moment. That file is located in index folder in desktop. Just change sample excel to sample excel 1. Here also we can cross verify sample excel 1.csv, and index name is sample data 2, which will be appeared on Kibana once we start to load the data. Now for loading the data, we have to go to bin folder of Logstash, and in the bin folder we have to go to command line. Now in the command line you have to give a command which will be detecting Logstash along with that Excel file, and you have to give the path of the config file where it is located. It is located in G folder G drive elk folder, Logstash folder, inside config, inside Excel. So now we have to give enter. Guys, I am going to pause this video for certain moment. Please be patient. Welcome back, guys. Yes guys, the indexing has been completed. Now we can view the data in Kibana dashboard. So just go to Kibana dashboard, localhost 5601. Now we have to go to stack management. Here we have to go to index pattern to create the index pattern of that index. Now click on create index pattern. Now just search the index name which we have given in the config file. I have given sample data 2. Just copy and search in the Kibana dashboard. So now we have to click on next step. Now we are going to give index pattern using @timestamp. Just click on @timestamp and click on create index pattern. Index pattern is created. Now we will be viewing that data in the Kibana dashboard at discover option. So go to discover option. Here just we have to select that index. So sample data 2 was the index name, so we have to click on that sample data 2. So now it's searching the data index. It is taking some time. Guys, please be patient, it is taking some time. So now here we can view the data from the Excel in the Elasticsearch using Kibana dashboard. We can view all that close data, high, host, low, message, everything we can view here. So guys, that's all in this video. In the next video I will be showing how to index or insert the JSON file into Elasticsearch using Logstash and viewing in Kibana dashboard. And guys, please like and share and subscribe this channel and stay tuned for further videos. Thank you. Goodbye.